Good morning and welcome back to Summit Railway. Today we are going to build the first platform. I have set up my temporary workbench with a stick welder, and down here you can see what I have in mind. We've got this angle iron which will make the edge of my platform area. So far so good. I've got some pieces cut to length. This bend was particularly challenging, but I think I made it work just fine. Now I have to cut 2 more pieces, this one and that one, and then I can proceed welding all this together. This is a few minutes later. I've got cut out the last 2 sections of the platform edge. I also cut some braces across here and one big one down here to stiffen up the whole construction. Now I can clean up all the edges and then I will proceed welding it. Ja. Das ist eigentlich bei den Felsen sicher ein wenig reinfäden. Ja. Masterplan. This right here is one of my widest and longest passenger coaches. I put it on the track to test the platform edge if something will touch, and certainly we are touching in this area here when the coach goes over the switch. So I need to do a little bit of trimming of this edge right here. As you can see, that did the trick. We have now a lowered edge in the certain area, and the rest is still nice and high. I will do exactly the same right here, but this time for a passenger pathway, since down here will be the secondary platform. Ach komm! One angle grinder later, I made this divot for the passenger walkway to the next platform, which I have to build yet. But this will be for the next video and the next weekend. For this weekend I am done. I will clean up all the tools right here and there, and that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this, and we will proceed soon on this platform with lights and the station building. I'm very excited about that. And then we will build the second platform. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye!